Here I got OPPO A91, and let me show you secret codes that you can use on this device. So at first you have to open your phone dialer, and let's start with the first code, the shortest one. It is Astrix #06#. And as you can see, this one will provide you with both email numbers assigned to your device, to your OPPO. So if you would like to check unique numbers, just enter this code, and here you've got it. Click on OK to go back. And now it's time for the second code, which is Astrix #677#6. And as you can see here, you've got software version information, and if you'll scroll down, you can check all the details. So starting with model, Android version, baseband version, kernel version, master date, color version, branch version, PCB number, build time, and few more. So here you've got the software version. Smoothly enter this code and then be aware of all the details. And another code is Astrix #888#. And here you've got engineering mode. You can use another device and scan this code to gain some more knowledge about this phone, about this OPPO A91. And the last code that you can use is Astrix #225# Astrix. And as you can see, this one will provide you with calendar info. So if you have Google Calendar included in your device, then you will have both Google Calendar details and also details from your internal storage calendar. And here you've got all important events, celebrations, anniversaries. Anytime you will check it, you will not forget about any important event. Smoothly enter this code and be aware of all the events. So that would be all. These are secret codes that you can use in your OPPO A91. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.